Hi all, I'm Dr. Sujata Pawar. I'm an Ayurvedic doctor and a nutritionist. So today we will understand about postpartum depression. So delivery के बाद जो साइंस एंड सिम्टम्स होते हैं, एंजाइटी, पैनिक अटैक्स या डिप्रेशन फीमेल्स में, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज postpartum depression. So is it real? Does this happen to everyone? Commonly seen in females. So let me tell you one thing, that yes, it is real, number one, and secondly, it's commonly seen in most of the mothers after delivery. But number three, it has to be taken care of. Once you notice or once you come across PPD, once you know that you're suffering with PPD, you have to make sure that you're seeking help. Don't let it go ignored, or don't take it very lightly. Postpartum depression is very much real and you have to seek support. So what are the causative factors of postpartum depression? So the commonest factor is a female in pregnancy. She goes through a lot of ups and downs with her hormonal levels, the dosha dhatu levels of her body. So according to Ayurveda, there's a lot of vata aggravation during the labor process, whether it's a normal delivery or a cesarean section. There's a lot of vata aggravation happening. So this sudden vata aggravation can lead to depression. Secondly, the progesterone and estrogen levels during pregnancy are quite high, but after delivery they abruptly come down to normal. So this sudden and abrupt change in the levels can lead to postpartum depression. Apart from that, if the newborn child has some illness, physical illness, या अगर वो टाइम पे सोता नहीं है, अगर वो खाता नहीं है, if the child is very cranky, if the child is not passing motions, any of the reasons related to the newborn child can lead to depression in the mother. Okay, because that eventually affects the mother, right? So if the child is not sleeping on time, the mother obviously is not getting a good sleep, adequate sleep, and that's leading to depression. Apart from that, अगर आपको अच्छी sleep नहीं होती, adequate sleep, या if your diet is not well nourished, so that can also lead to depression. अगर आपको hypothyroidism की condition है, so that can lead to PPD. If you have history of mental illness in your family, so the chances of PPD are much higher in the female. So these are the various factors which can cause postpartum depression. Most important signs and symptoms of postpartum depression is depression, number one. Then apart from that, you may have panic attacks, you may have anxiety, you may not feel sleepy, like insomnia, कि आपको बहुत ज़्यादा नींद आई है, you're tired, exhausted, but then when you actually go to sleep, you will not fall asleep. आपको बहुत ज़्यादा crying हो सकता है, you may feel like crying without no reason, you may have physical body aches and pains without no particular reason. आपको अचानक से रोना आएगा, you may feel like crying without no reason. Loss of appetite is a very common sign and symptom. आपको भूख नहीं लगती है, खाने की इच्छा नहीं होती है. Then you may have headaches, you may feel giddiness आपको हो सकता है, या bloated sensation हो सकता है. You don't feel like carrying your baby or even looking at your child sometimes, because you're so much depressed and you're so much overoccupied by your mental fatigue that you don't even feel like picking your child or looking at your child if the child is crying. So that affects completely over your mental health. And also many females, they have this sensation of self pity. उनमें एक अजीब सी पिटीनेस, खुद पे पिटी करते हैं. They have that a different kind of guilt, and उन्हें लगता है कि they are not worthy of anything. Okay, worthlessness, a sense of worthlessness is seen in females. So when it comes to management part of postpartum depression, number one most important part is support. You have to go and ask for support. अगर आपको support सामने से कोई दे नहीं रहा है तो go and ask, because हेल्प इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज यू आर गोइंग थ्रू अ लॉट. आपकी बॉडी जो है, एज आई मैंशन, इज गोइंग थ्रू लॉट्स ऑफ हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंसेज, लॉट्स ऑफ दोष धातु imbalances in your body. And if whether it's a cesarean section or a normal section, every female goes through the similar physical signs and symptoms post delivery. So इसीलिए उनको हेल्प की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होती है. सो सीकिंग हेल्प इज़ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट. इसलिए शायद हमारे यहाँ पे डिलीवरी के बाद मायके जाते हैं हम लोग फॉर 45 days to 2 months, बिकॉज दैट हेल्प इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बिकॉज नो फीमेल इन दिस वर्ल्ड इज ट्रेन्ड ऑल हर लाइफ हाउ टू हैंडल अ न्यू बॉर्न चाइल्ड. No female. It's everything she learns on a daily basis. जैसे जैसे बच्चा बड़ा हो रहा है वैसे वैसे she is taking her own experiences and handling the child accordingly, and that's how a female goes ahead. So no mother is born trained or expert in handling a child. It's all that she learns every single day, right? So help is very important. So even though when you are at your parents' place you can get some help, but when you're back, take your help from your husband, from your in-laws, or anybody who is there in your family, because help is very important, support is very important. Empathize that female, empathize the woman who has labored, who has delivered, and try and give maximum support and maximum help to her. Also most important part is कि आप थोड़ा बहुत physical activities करें. दिन भर घर में बैठ के भी आपको you feel more stressed out, तो थोड़ा बाहर जाए. Take good sunlight, take a small stroll with your child or by yourself, so that you will go into fresh air and the stress hormones थोड़े बहुत आपके कम हो जाएंगे. Apart from that, you should make sure that you are eating also nutritional food. बहुत ज़्यादा heavy खाना खाने से या बाहर का खाना खाएंगे या late खाएंगे तो you may have digestive issues या acid reflux, which may again aggravate your postpartum depression. So make sure कि आप खाना भी टाइम पे खा रहे हैं, हल्का आहार खा रहे हैं, so that will keep your gut healthy. Take adequate rest. आपको अगर लगता है कि रात भर मैं जागी थी तो सुबह make sure that you are sleeping for 2-3 hours, or in the afternoon take some rest. या if you are really not able to sleep in the afternoons also, whenever possible try to just sit down and relax for some time. Taking adequate rest is also very important. Most important part is set realistic goals. All these years women struggle, they are working all these years, मतलब घर का देख के बाहर का देख के they are running on their toes, but after the child is born it seems as if they've stopped stepping out of the house, they are not financially independent anymore. So you have to make sure that you are setting realistic goals. One step at a time is something you can focus on, because this is also a very beautiful phase of your life. Everything slows down while you're having a newly born child in your house, and somehow the female feels depressed or worthlessness basically होती है, एक sense of worthlessness that I'm not earning anything now. But give yourself time. Maybe in 3-4 months or 6 months, when the child is little big, you can start with something that makes you happy. Meanwhile, you can pursue your hobbies and feel good about it. So make sure that you're setting realistic goals. Don't overburden yourself with your office and household chores. Give everything time. अगर आपको बहुत ओवरबर्डन हो रहा है तो किसी चीज़ों को आप ब्रेक देना सीखें. अगर घर में बहुत ज़्यादा मेस है तो यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट यू आर इग्नोरिंग दैट मेस जस्ट बिकॉज यू नो दैट some rest or some sleep is required by you. So you can just ignore everything and take adequate sleep, adequate rest, and most importantly seek help. Talk to people. According to Ayurveda, we also recommend Shirodhara, जिसे हम लोग continuous oil pour करते हैं forehead पे, या whole body massages. If you cannot go out at home, only take plain tilka oil और एनी मेडिकेटेड ऑयल इफ़ यू हैव इट एट होम. ल्यूकवार्म करके उसको होल बॉडी पे आप अच्छे से रब करें, मसाज करें जेंटली, एंड टेक अ नाइस हॉट वाटर बाथ. सो दैट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स टू रिलीव अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस. नास्यम इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी गुड. सो नास्यम आप घर पे कर सकते हैं. टेक ल्यूकवार्म घी, काउस घी, उसे आपको ल्यूकवार्म करना है, मेल्ट करना है, और 3 ड्रॉप्स आपको ईच नॉस्ट्रिल में डालना है. So do it twice a day and do it every single day at least for 2-3 months, because that is also very much stress relieving. Apart from that, have lots of cow's ghee in your food. Do yoga, pranayam, meditation, which is going to help you a lot. There are few herbs which help to curb postpartum depression, like Shankapushpi, Jatamansi, Shatavari and Brahmi, ashwagandha. So you can have a mix of all these powders and have it twice daily, half teaspoon. But if you feel it's very severe and you are unable to cope up, please go and talk to your doctor, take medical help, and always understand that postpartum depression is very much real. It's a serious thing and you should not at all ignore if you feel you're having depression.